Oh, everyone gets stuck at Pismo.
What's up, dirt people? Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back. We headed out to Pismo and I messed up the meetup or whatever. Wrong spot, wrong time. We want to support Pismo because the closures and everything, but the local business also, they've closed through COVID, and then there's just the local politics. It's pretty bad, so come out and support if you can. That's the point of this video. We met up with Hector and Paul later on, and then Patrick, some other cool people. Speaking of Paul, he's selling his wheels. He's got some beadlock wheels, so if you're into the sand dunes, check him out through Telegram. I'll put a link in the description.
Sorry, man, I suck. Oh yeah, how you doing?
Bro, how you doing, man?
He's so bored.
Wake up, Hector.
What'd you wear down to? 15? Yeah, I always go to 17, but 15 is probably better. Pulling somebody out full? Yeah. I think you're too far. Oh. Yeah, I got it.
To get all the twists out of it, it's a kinetic rope.
How many times did you get stuck here your first time, fool?
Oh, that's the only one?
Oh, everyone gets stuck at Pismo. Oh. I've gotten stuck with forced sand paddles on the Raptor.
So Pismo's changed a lot over the last 2 years, closures and refencing off stuff. It wasn't familiar to us, and that's why we got stuck. We were meandering around, slowing down, looking. We were looking for the drag strip. So whatever, kinetic ropes work best, but don't come here without a strap.
Yeah, I think the drag strip was just up there. Yeah.
No, I think it is just ahead right here. I think that is the drag strip. Yeah, I remember it dead ends with bushes like that. Yeah, this is it, man. Diesel versus gas Zr'2 drag race, but I crashed into the flag. Whatever, take two. Hector's in the blue Zr'2. That's a diesel. He's got a bunch of mods and upgrades and running 35s. Paul is running stock tires for this trip, so it's not even a comparison. Paul takes the win right here. They get another one coming up next. Takes us a while. I'll spare you guys the long version.
That was a good try.
But yeah, our pre-runner bumpers here don't help out much. If they were better, I would have strapped onto Hector's front end and try to pull them out, all three of us, whatever. It sucks here. You're gonna get stuck a lot. Be prepared.
I'll try with mine that I'm aired down more now.
And that's Patrick. You might recognize him. He's a local, sporting his V8 Raptor sound, of course. And he was a little bit thrown off also by all the changes in the park. And he comes here often. He's going to lead us to some cool jumps that he knows.
Yeah, I'll let you. Practice one, a dry one, and then I'll get the drone in the air, and if you want to do the second one, if not, who cares?
Most jumps for stock trucks or enthusiasts like us will have a nice ramp and a nice soft landing. Patrick has a good eye for that. This is really steep with a flat top landing, very little room for error. This is where you either don't get enough speed and you get laughed at, or you oversend too easily and break your back. So pick your poison, whatever. We all took easy little test runs first.
The Pismo's cheering you on. Holy sh**, he's gonna fly. Little bit. Oh no. It's hard to gauge it in two-wheel drive.
Good. Very good.
So good, huh?
Yeah.
It cut power. And I turned in and it died too when I turned in.
Yeah.
Am I gonna roll?
No. You got to see what goddamn shit holding you in place over here.
I'm good, I think my ankle's good.
There you go. There you go. That's how you do it.
Don't need you guys. All this drama.
You rolled that too low, man.
No, I it cut power on me, just like the first time too.
Yeah, I thought you were just screwing around.
No, I put it in manual to try the second time, and it did even worse. So I just turned in, and it cut power when I turned in.
Yeah, well, it won't do it anymore then.
Yeah, I gotta reset the computer. Pura pinche panza.
Panza up the car here, bro.
So we wanted to head out to the bathrooms and the beach to hang out, and Patrick saw this rental bike that's stuck down here. Like I said, flags, everything. That's why it's so dangerous. Patrick has a good eye for helping people. Sandro could easily bump into him, crash into him there. He's in a blind spot. So at the bathrooms, we bumped into some friends of the channel, and they were going one way, we were going another way. We didn't get to hang out. Bummer. If you ever bump into us on the dirt, just follow us, flag us down. We love you guys. We love talking to you guys. That's why we do this. But we had to get back to the beach and hang out before we left. 4-hour drive home, whatever. And damage report, nothing to report actually. Everything was good. So I'll just say, I encourage you guys to come out to Pismo. We all heard rumors about the closures, whatever. A lot of people are scared. They don't know what. It's fine. It's still enjoyable. It's still fun. Still family friendly. Still awesome. So grab the friends, grab the family, come out and check us out on Telegram, especially if you're looking for a set of beadlocks like these. Paul's selling his RW set, so I'll put a link to that on the bottom. Just good timing. And until next time, just keep finding cool people, keep finding cool trails, keep going to your favorite spots, keep fixing your truck, and of course, keep it dirty.